Okay guys, Time is Zabidi. I want to answer this question. Somebody just asked me about reviews. How do we build up reviews quickly? As people know, whoever works with me, they know that they never have a problem with reviews. We build up reviews very quickly. I have some listings that I built up 2 years ago that they have 10,000 reviews. I have listings that I built up a month ago that they have 100 reviews. How do I do it? Do I mess around with fake reviews? No way. I never mess around with fake reviews, and I do not recommend anyone ever does. I just want to tell you what happens if somebody messes with fake reviews. They catch you. They catch you eventually, because that's, first of all, the only thing that Amazon's looking for. And what happens is somebody buys reviews from somebody, right? They give away a free product, leave me a review. Okay. Then all of a sudden, they get suspended, and Amazon tells them, do you want your account back? If you want your account back, give us a list of all the fake reviews you bought. So everyone's going to give them that list of fake reviews because they want their account back and they want their money released. So now Amazon has a list of all these reviewers that left fake reviews, and they can say, you know what other reviews did they leave for other products? And now they have a list of all other products that they left fake reviews for, and Amazon just starts suspending stores. That's why things happen on such, like, all of a sudden there's like massive suspensions going around. It's a domino effect. So if anyone messes with fake reviews, you want to avoid them like the plague, like they have leprosy. It's so contagious and dangerous, and it's so easy to get reviews on Amazon these days. It's so easy. What do? I enroll every one of my products in the Amazon Vine program. If you don't know what that is, it's a program that Amazon gives you where they'll give you reviews. They'll give you 30 reviews. And then after that, what do? Well, I always start off at a low price so that I make sure that I'm getting a lot of conversions, and I'm at a low price, and I blast it with ads, and then I'm requesting reviews for every single order that I have. I'm requesting reviews every single order, and that's the only way to do it. You enroll in the Vine, start off at an aggressive price, blast it with PPC, request reviews. You cannot do it slowly. If you do it slowly, you'll get eaten by the competition. If you do it slowly and you say, you know what, I'll make 50 sales this month, and then you walk away with 5 reviews, if you're lucky, what is that doing for you? Wouldn't you rather sell 5,000 units and walk away with a few hundred reviews by month 2, and then month 2, all your ads are doing much better and you could actually start to have a business? You have to do it quickly, and you have to do it correctly according to Amazon. Thank you guys for watching.